Conditional formatting is a very powerful tool that we'll discuss in this video. This is the third video in the series of formatting and printing. The conditional formatting can be found on the home ribbon in the Styles group here. Conditional formatting provides us the opportunity to set certain conditions and address the formatting attributes based on those conditions. So when we click on the conditional formatting button, we are presented with a drop-down. Default conditional formatting rules are highlight cells rules, top to bottom rules, and then we can also create some icons or bars and scales within cells as well. The bottom part of the menu dialog box drop down is new rules, clear rules, as well as manage rules. So we're going to go back to our Happy Villas profit and loss statement. Where we left off was our total expense line when we were using our format painter. We're going to scroll up and select the range of cells in parts, supplies, and repairs. There's 30 categories here, and we're going to look and see how much we've spent in the total year, and based on a certain condition, format them. So the top 5 spend categories will be red, and the lowest 5 will be green. To do that, we need to select the cell range of J86 all the way down to J115. After we've got that range selected, we're going to click on conditional formatting and do top to bottom rules. We want to first select the top 10 items. So top 10 items pops up in the dialog box, and we have the ability to only show 5. So these are the 5 categories that we have the highest amount of spend in for the total of 2016. We've chosen 5, and you can see them illustrated there in red with a light red fill and a dark red text. We're going to click OK. So now our top 5 have changed to red. We're going to go back to conditional formatting, choose top to bottom rules, and this time we're going to choose bottom 10 items. So these are the items that we have spent the least amount in. We're going to change the 10 to 5 by clicking the down arrow. And we don't want them to be the same color, so we're going to change the coloring for the bottom 5 to green, a green fill with dark green text. And as soon as you do that, you can see that the 5 categories with the least amount of spend are green.